in daily life through simple and fun conversation. So let's begin and learn English the Funlish way! Meeting for the first time. How are you? What's your name?
Me.
My name is Rhea. What's your name? Hey, I'm Arav. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Small talk. How are you today?
Me.
I'm good, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too, just a little busy. Oh, same here. We all are busy these days. Heart.
Saying goodbye.
Okay, I have to go now. See you later.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. So, friends, this was a simple English conversation you can use every day. Practice these sentences with your friends or family